Good evening, everyone. This is Aricia de Kimpeneer from the network towards Unity for Health, and I hope you had an inspiring and fulfilling second day at Ubuntu 2024. Now I know you're all geared up for tonight's cultural dinner. We're in for a real treat at the Gold Restaurant in Cape Town, where you'll embark on an unforgettable 14-dish taste safari, offering a true feast of authentic flavors paired with captivating entertainment. And the best part? The spectacular event is included in your registration, so just relax and enjoy. When you arrive, you'll receive 2 drink tokens to select from the special menu. If you'd like to indulge in more beverages, feel free to order at your own expense. As we make our way to this extraordinary venue, Lausanne, Africa will be your guide for the journey. Lausanne will share some of the highlights and hidden gems of this incredible city, setting the stage for an evening rich in local culture and flavor.
Where you are staying and where we are going now is the Victoria and Alfred waterfront, one of Cape Town's most iconic and popular destinations. Situated in the heart of the city's bustling harbour, the V&A waterfront offers a unique blend of historical charm, modern attractions, and stunning waterfront views. Originally built in 1960, the V&A waterfront has a rich history that is deeply rooted in the maritime industry. The waterfront is named after Queen Victoria and her son, Prince Alfred, who visited the area in 1860. The waterfront was once a hub for international trade and commerce, serving as a key point of entry for ships traveling to and from Europe and other parts of the world. The Breakwater prison, which was built in the late 1800s, was once a notorious maximum security prison that housed some of South Africa's most notorious criminals, including the infamous apartheid-era assassin Eugene de Kock. The waterfront has since undergone extensive renovations and expansion, transforming it into a vibrant mixed-use development that includes shopping, dining, entertainment, and leisure activities. Located at the heart of the V&A waterfront, the Chavons Battery Museum offers a fascinating insight into the rich history of the Cape Town harbour. The museum is built around the ruins of a Dutch East India Company fortification that was constructed in the early 18th century to protect the harbour from foreign invaders. Visitors to the Chavons Battery Museum can explore the site's remains, including the original cannon emplacements and a restored section of the fortification's walls. The museum also features a range of exhibits and displays that tell the story of the battery's role in the history of Cape Town, as well as the broader history of the region's trade and military conflicts. One of the highlights of the museum is a replica of the famous Black Rock cannon, which was used by the British during the Battle of Muizenberg in 1795. The museum's name, Chavons, comes from the French Huguenot, Abraham Chavon, who was one of the first directors of the Dutch East India Company operations in Cape Town. The museum is also home to a range of artifacts and objects that have been discovered during archaeological excavations at the battery, including musket balls, cannonballs, and other remnants of the battery's military history. In addition to its fascinating historical exhibits and displays, the Chavons Battery Museum also offers visitors a unique and immersive experience through its guided tours and interactive educational programs. Visitors can explore the battery's underground passages and chambers and even participate in hands-on activities such as loading and firing a replica cannon. Situated at the V&A waterfront, the Clock Tower is one of Cape Town's most iconic landmarks. Built in 1882, the Clock Tower originally served as a harbour control tower used by the Port Authority to signal ships entering and leaving the harbour. The clock tower is built in the Victorian Gothic style with ornate stonework and a distinctive four-faced clock that can be seen from all sides of the harbour. In the 1990s, The clock tower underwent a major restoration project which transformed it into a popular tourist attraction, an iconic symbol of Cape Town's maritime history. Today, visitors can climb to the top of the tower for stunning views of the harbour, Table Mountain and the city skyline. The clock tower has also been incorporated into the V&A's waterfront complex, serving as a reminder of the area's industrial and maritime past. As a testament to its historical significance, the clock tower has been declared a national monument and serves and continues to be an important part of Cape Town's cultural history. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will be enjoying and exploring this beautiful city and learning more about its history, culture, and significance.